Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. Now this is the same process for both mobile and PC, and this is going to be a full guide. The first thing I want you to do is just launch the YouTube app, and then I want you to come at the bottom right and click on your profile icon. So here I am on my profile, and what I want you to do from here, at the top right you'll see this gear cog. If we click on this, they will go ahead and take us to our settings. So I want you to tap on this gear cog, and then right here under accounts, you'll see general, right? And I want you to just click on general and then scroll down until you see restricted mode. Now to turn off restricted mode, and you can see these other types of videos, the mature videos, you just toggle this one off and then it's turned off. Really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.